About polygons, children. What is a polygon? Well, it comes from, I believe, the word poly, which means many. I hope. I realize I've been telling kids that long for years. And gon, which means kind of like sides. So many-sided shapes is what they are. Now, in order for something to be a polygon, it has to fit this category. It needs to be, polygons are closed, flat shapes with straight sides. Flat shapes with straight sides. Okay, write that down because a polygon has to meet those requirements. A polygon cannot have a curved surface on it. A circle is not a polygon. Okay? A circle is not a polygon. Okay, it has to have straight sides and it has to be closed. So if you see a shape like that, what it means to be closed is that, you know, if this was my little shape here and there were little ants inside of it, heaven forbid. Okay, if a shape is closed, the little ants can't get out of it. There's no doorway. In this case, they do have a little doorway. I probably can't get them out of there. Can I get them out? Yeah, look, I see that little ant he just rolled out there. So a closed shape means that this would have to be closed like that. This is a polygon. Try to ignore that little space there that didn't quite close. This would be a polygon. And by the word flat, it means it's not three-dimensional. A cube is not a polygon. It has to be a flat. A piece of paper is a polygon. Okay? And we've got these shapes and these names. You should probably know this. Okay, a three-sided polygon is called what? Triangle. Four-sided thing. A lot of people get this wrong. If something has four sides, it's not a rectangle, it's not a square, it is a, Kyle? Yes, a quadrilateral. Okay, squares, rectangles all fit in the quadrilateral. Quad meaning it has four sides. If a shape has five sides, kind of looking like this, that's not a house. It is a pentagon. If something has, I guess I should have drawn it a little smaller. See if I can get it to it. If something has six sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A six-sided shape is a hexagon. Let's see which ones they give you. I'll give you too many here. And the next one they throw in there is an eight-sided shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. An eight-sided shape is a octagon. And that's probably what you need to know, except for one small thing, and I got to use a different piece of paper, so I'm going to let you write that in there. Oh, that was the yellow over there. I'll go back if you need that here. Take out a blank piece of paper and write this word here. when talking about polygons, quite often you'll see the word regular. Quite often you'll see this word regular in math. When you see the word regular, it simply means this. It means that all sides are equal. Okay. So going back to what we just talked about, if you have an octagon just simply means it has 8 sides. So an octagon could look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. But typically, when we think about shapes like this, we think of their regular form. And when you mean regular, it means that every side of the octagon would be the same length. And usually you think of this, it is a stop sign looking shape. All 8 sides are the same length. This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, all of those, even though I didn't do it, okay? The stop sign is a regular octagon, okay? Same thing with a regular quadrilateral. Guess what a regular quadrilateral would be? Actually, there's 2 regular quadrilaterals you could have. Anybody? What is a shape that has 4 sides that all sides are equal? Sam?
Square.
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a regular quadrilateral, which we call a square. You could also have what we call, does anybody know the other type of regular quadrilateral? Andrew? Nope. Trapezoids look like this. I don't think there's any way you can have them all be equal sides. Nope. Because one side has to be shorter. Alex Vollmer? This is a parallelogram, but not necessarily. Some parallelograms are, not all of them. Gabby? No, rectangle by definition just has to have 4 right angles. Some of them would be, but not all of them. There's one other type shape that is always going to be a regular quadrilateral. Sam?
Diamond.
Not a diamond either. Well, diamond might be another name for this. What's the official math word? Gosh.
Yeah. Right.
Wow.
It's a rhombus.
I've heard of that.
Both a square and a rhombus have equal sides and always have to. You could have a rectangle that does, but not all rectangles do. You could have a parallelogram that does, but not all parallelograms do that as well.